tū for our school karakia. Ka ino tātou.
E te ariki, manaaki te ao mātou, me ao mātou whānau, mō tēnei rā. I promise that today I will do my best, encourage others and never give up. I promise that I will never give up on myself, my learning and on my life. I promise this with all my heart. Āmine.
Kia ora tātou te whānau. One of the things I'm looking forward to in particular is seeing the talent come out through our Rehutai, our oral language festival competition. I know lots of you are already working on your speeches, your raps, your spoken word and your presentations. So yes, keep being wise. I'm looking forward to that wisdom theme and hope to see you soon.
Kia ora everybody, can't wait to see you all your smiling faces, and especially because we are doing technology this term, I'd love to see us finishing off our projects and playing with the awesome amount of Lego that we have and creating some amazing creations. So I cannot wait to continue that.
And mahalo lele everybody, and I am excited to see you all next week and hear all about your stories, because I know everyone got a story to tell.
Kia ora everyone, hope you're all having a good time and we're really looking forward to having you back. We've got our two new guests visiting the school, and we've got Tama and we've got Arua. And Tama and Arua tell me that it is the Maori Language Week this term. Yes, Tama? So they're excited to be coming here to talk to you about all the wonderful things that you're going to be doing for the Maori Language Week. Oh, yep, okay, Tama. And Tama reminds me, it is also the Tongan Language Week. So we'll have a lot of exciting activities for both the Maori and Tongan Language Week. So something to look forward to. Yep, thank you, Arua. She says bye.
So, hi guys. So, for the past 2 weeks we've been in lockdown, and we're still in isolation, but we're here at school, so social distancing, excuse me. And we just made some Lego mounds over there, so I don't want to show, I'm too shy. And so we have some a lot of fun. We played with Lego, we made butter chicken soup, we had popcorn, we had hot chocolate, we had a movie with the popcorn. It was so fun this week, and I hope you guys had a good lockdown. So yeah.
So can't wait to see you guys on Monday, and yeah, see you guys on Monday.
Bye!
Hi.
to go back to school so I can rock in my school uniform and live in my school spirit. I don't like staying at home, even though I do lots of fun things, but I get bored easily. I am so excited that school starts from Monday and I can stay with my friends and do fun activities and learning with my in my class and with my teacher. Excited to go back to school because I miss my friends and I love learning. Hi, my name is Eliza. I'm excited to go to school because I miss my friends, teachers, and
Hamza and I am in room 20. I am excited to come back to school because I miss my friends, my teacher, and my studies. I get bored staying home, doing nothing. I hope to see you all soon. Kia kaha!
My hopes. Emotionally, it's so bored at home. I miss my friends, my teacher, and school so much. Also, I am so excited to be going back to school on Monday. I can play with my friends and do my schoolwork normally like we do in class.
I'm looking forward to seeing my friends again. And I'm looking forward to see my friends and learn more information. And I'm excited to see my teacher, all the teachers that taught us. And I'm excited to help all the other people and respect them. So we can keep safe. We can keep safe from the COVID-19. Wash our hands for 20 seconds.
And we have to
Wear masks.
2 meters away.
And we have to wear masks and keep safe. And keep safe because of the COVID.
Yes. But we better watch out.
Bye.
Yeah, to put it. Be kind.